Welcome back, Blake Cousins here, third phase moon. A sudden volcanic eruption on the small southern Japanese island of Kuchinoerabu-jima has forced authorities to raise the alert to the highest level and advise evacuation of the immediate area. But what's captured in this video is some kind of UFO. Now let's zoom things up and get a closer look at some brightness contrast. What is this mysterious orb tracking the volcano as this eruption happens? Leave your comments below and don't forget, join us tonight, Third Phase Moon Radio, live every Friday, 11 p.m. Eastern Time, 8 p.m. Western. Third Phase Moon Radio, share your UFO story to the world. The link is below. Everybody keep your eyes on the skies, and we'll see you tonight, Blake Cousins.